Convicted juvenile court judge Tracy Hunter will not get the new trial she requested. Judge Norbert Nadel made the ruling today denying her request. WLWT News 5's Brian Hamrick is leading the way for us tonight with the new developments. Brian.
Yeah, well, here's basically what happened. Two motions had the potential to overturn Tracy Hunter's convictions. Both of those motions were denied. The end result, the conviction stands, at least for now. For Tracy Hunter, the most important conviction is not the one in court, it's the one that makes her certain she won't remain convicted.
As a matter of law, it's wrong.
Clyde Bennett is Hunter's attorney. He's convinced higher courts will see it differently.
Trust and listen. The conviction on count 6 will not stand. It will be reversed by the First District Court of Appeals, the Ohio Supreme Court, or the United States Federal District Court. So I'm disappointed with the decision. I am not discouraged.
Judge Norbert Nadel was back in court today but did not comment on his decisions. He issued this ruling in two separate motions and posted it online. One was the motion claiming there was not enough evidence to sustain a conviction. That was denied. The other motion would have allowed 3 jurors who said they were pressured to give a guilty verdict to change it to not guilty. It was also denied, the judge writing, "To rule otherwise would cause chaos by jeopardizing the integrity of jury deliberations and the finality of jury verdicts." But now there's a new motion yet to be heard.
It came to light from my investigation.
Bennett is blaming the jury foreman for juror misconduct, saying when asked, she didn't reveal she had been a victim of crime.
She has a history of sexual abuse and abuse by pastors, people in pastoral positions, ministers. Judge Hunter is a minister. Now, if I would have known that, I would not have allowed her to sit on that jury.
So the legal battles are far from over. Now, the case can't move to the appeals court until Hunter is sentenced. That was supposed to happen on December 2nd. Now they're going to use that day with that final motion. Final, at least, for now. Mike?